back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Happy New Year. It's first video of the year, 2024. Let's get to it. Of course we have to start the year off with a Stitch Fix unboxing. We have trusty rusty screwdriver, as always. Here we go. Did everyone have good holidays? I hope so. What'd you guys do for New Year's? Comment down below what you did. You know, I'm in my 30s. I don't go out really for New Year's anymore. So my husband and I just stayed in and we played some board games. We actually, like, at 9:30 that night, we were watching football. My husband's like, let's clean the house. So we, like, washed blankets, we vacuumed, he swept and mopped, we cleaned up counters, he wiped down our couches, like, and then we played Monopoly and Farkle and had snacks. Yeah, so good New Year's. Anyway, let's open this box. I have a bundle here. Sorry for, like, being staying close. Oh my god. I kind of forgot. I think I picked 3 things in this bundle. Doesn't this just scream David Rose to you from Schitt's Creek? If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you would like to, my referral link is down below and you can get $25 towards your first box. And I would get $25 as well, which helps me make more videos, basically. This is my hobby, it's not my job, so, you know. They send you the mailer full of static to send back the things you do not want to keep. And we have our style note. And I think I asked for a new stylist. Yep, I did. So, okay. Hi Rachel, Happy New Year and welcome to your first fix. I'm thrilled to see you've selected the high-rise straight pull-on trousers from Tribal and the ruffle detail blouse from Fortune and Ivy. I don't remember selecting those. But these 2 pieces will pair beautifully together for a polished and sophisticated look. Add the fuzzy cardigan from Love Ellie for those cooler days or evenings. For a change of pace, I've included a pair of wide leg utility pants from Studio Blue in a vibrant orange red. These pants will add a pop of color to your wardrobe and can be paired with the black twist front knit top from Pink Clover for a casual yet stylish look. Don't forget to try the Tribal trousers with the gray Letty and Me sweater from a couple of fixes ago. It's a match made in heaven. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Cheers, Hallie. Thanks, Hallie. So this is a good note, I feel like. If you watched my previous video, it was kind of like cookie cutter, you know, but this, she like went through everything that's in the box, what to pair them with, so I like that, and I'm gonna give some good feedback about that. So cool. And I'm very curious to see, I never looked what number Stitch Fix this is for me. I think I've been getting them since 2018. I think I've been filming since 2019, so we're coming up on my like 5-year YouTube anniversary, which is like really weird to me, but okay. This is fix number 114. So there's that. All right, let's bust her open. Here we go. Here are, they are very, which ones are these? Let's see. These are the Studio Blue Dawn wide leg utility pant, and they feel very utility, but I don't have anything like this, and you know, let's try new things. It's a new year. I've also been watching like a lot of capsule wardrobe videos. If any of you guys watches Mia Maples, it's an old video, but she did like a capsule wardrobe for herself that she thrifted, one for her mom, one for her dad, and it's basically like a list of, you know, 30 pieces or whatever that you mix and match, and I don't know if I could ever do that, be that disciplined, but you know, maybe this could be something to mix and match. Because they look like I might be able to wear them to work as well as outside of work. So, like I said, Studio Blue Dawn wide leg utility pant in orange red, size 16. Here we go. They are wide leg, and I don't have any wide legs, so that'll be something nice to try. And we have I've seen these ones around quite a bit. And I've always been curious about them. Do they have real pockets? Yes, they're just sewn together. But they are a Stitch Fix exclusive. And yeah, they are the Tribal Fia high-rise straight pull-on trouser in black, size 16. good work pants. You know, you need a good pair of black work pants all the time. And the ones I have now are getting old, so. And then we have the Pink Clover Adia short sleeve knit top in black size large, and it has like this little kind of twisty knot detail at the neckline instead of like at the bottom where you would usually see like a twist or knot. So that could be a really good staple too. And we have, I think I did. I must have. Fortune and Ivy Eloise Ruffy Detail Blouse in purple. If I recall, this one was on sale in my Fix preview, so I was like, yup. It's purple, it's pretty. It's got kind of like a sparkle through it. Sheer, roughly, overtly girly. Yeah, I like that. I like that. And my mom and dad got me a gift card for Stitch Fix for Christmas, so I don't know. Depending on how things fit, this is a pretty good box so far. And we have the David Rose inspired to me. Love Ellie Edinson fuzzy cardigan in black size large. It is so just like, I know there's roses on it, so of course it's kind of David Rosey, but it's so David Rose from Schitt's Creek. Very, very fuzzy. It has an extra button, so that's nice. It's very heavy. Let's try stuff on. Here's the first outfit. This is a nice work outfit, I think. Not workout outfit, a outfit for work. I think it's pretty. I think it's a really pretty purple color. I like the neckline. You could wear it undone too, but I think it just looks better tied. Like, I don't know, it's a look. It's really pretty. It's like a really nice eggplant purple, I think. And we have the pants. Let me zoom down for the pants. Pants. Since the new year, I have started rereading the Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants books. Let me tell you, I haven't read them in like 20 years, and they do not disappoint. Yeah, are they maybe, well, I don't think they're super juvenile, but they're a little juvenile. But I've read the first 3 books, and each one has made me cry as an adult, so I don't know. They're good. I like the pants. I like the way they fit. I think they're cute. The back pockets, is this real? No, it has a fake back pocket, but these front pockets are real. So that's nice. I like them. I think they're a good length. I think they're nice. My one thing I might like, I think it fits fine, but because this material isn't stretchy, I don't know if I could tuck it in though. Make it shorter. Maybe not tuck it in with these pants, but I didn't like how it was stretching through here, but I think tucked in, it's better. Yeah, I like both of these so far. Let's try on more. Should we just try them on all together? Let's do it how Hallie said to do it. So here we go. I forgot I didn't show you the back. There we go. I think there's like, is there, I don't know. I didn't even look at the back myself. It's just plain, it's fine. Also, I really like these little shoulder ruffles. Okay, this is a look. Okay. How do I feel? I like the softness of this cardigan. I don't think I like it as much like all the way buttoned up. Let's see. If I can do buttons, that'd be cool. Oh my god. Okay, here it is buttoned up. Let's pretend. It might be too bulky, just like all the way buttoned up, but open, I like it better. Kind of like that. I think looks better. These pants, while I like the idea of them, I'm trying something new. The fit's not great, I think. Hello. I don't think the fit's super great through here, but that's okay. But I like the color. And then here is the, helped if I was actually up there. Hello. Real time. Here is the top, the black twist top. It's kind of interesting because it has like a seam here and a seam here and a seam here. So I'm not really sure about that. Like, you know, just looking like this, you don't see it. Ignore that handle over there. Looking like that, you don't really see it, but it's cute. It's a nice, cute, you know, basic top. Let's like untuck. Hello. So here's the length of it if you were to wear it out. I just usually like to, you know, tuck in a little bit, but not with these pants. But I mean, they're fine. They're just fine. No underpants. It's okay. I'm thinking no in a sweater, so I don't know. Okay, let's go over prices and we'll see what I'm gonna keep. Prices. Here we go. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. I don't know, that just sounded like Jerry Seinfeld. Okay, the Fortune & Ivy Eloise ruffle detail blouse in purple, size large, $21.97 because it's on sale. It doesn't tell you the original price, but I mean, I think that's a no-brainer. I think that's gotta be the one I'm gonna keep, right? The Love Ellie fuzzy cardigan in black, $54. The Studio Blue Dawn wide leg utility pant in orange red, $64. The Tribal Fia high-rise straight pull-on trouser black, $58. I don't want to spend $60 on those pants. They did fit nice, but you can, I feel like I could get black pants cheaper, you know what I mean? The Pink Clover Adia twist front knit top, $39. So the whole box, $236.97. If you buy everything, it makes it $177.73, and then I have gift card money from my parents, thank you. So the whole box, $177.73. I'm gonna use part of my gift card for that purple top. I think it'd be really cute tucked in. I think it's cute, I like it. It's pretty. The end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, comment below if you made it this far. Put a firework for the new year. I know we're halfway through January, but I needed a little break, you know? It was busy holiday season. We just had my friend Christmas party, oh, hello, last weekend. So yeah, I mean, the holidays are just going on and on. But thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you next time.